Hi, Astro. Good morning. Want to do something fun today? Yeah, let's do something fun. Let's do something fun. Yum, yum, yum. Yum. Delicious dog food. This is just delicious, by the way. Yeah. How do you love this stuff? It's not that good. Cat food tastes much better. I mean, not the dry stuff. The wet stuff tastes a lot better. Want to do something fun today? Yeah, let's do something fun today. Say bye to YouTube.